Hi class, in today's lessons we are going to discuss order of operations, and if you look at the bottom I have a saying to help you remember the order, and it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And that is the order you would need to follow for order operations. So the first step would be parentheses. You always do what's in parentheses first. So if we look at this problem, it has 25 minus 5 times 4 minus 1 plus 3 to the second power divided by 3. 4 minus 1 is what's in parentheses, so we have to do that first. So what I would do is write down everything that I'm not going to perform just like it is. So I would write 25 minus 5 times, but I am going to do 4 minus 1 because that's in parentheses. I'm going to do that first. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So I would put 3 here, and then I would write the rest of the problem. Plus 3 to the second power divided by 3. Next step is exponents. I would do exponents first. And remember, we've already gone over exponents when we did the lesson on powers of 10. And so my exponent in this problem is 3 squared, or 3 to the second power. And that simply means, remember, I'm going to multiply the large number that many times, whatever the exponent is. So that means I'm going to multiply 3 2 times. So that's 3 times 3. So I'm going to copy everything down like it is, but only thing I'm going to perform next is the exponents. So I would write 25 minus 5 times 3 plus 3 times 3, and that's 9. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. That's the exponent. 3 to the second power means 3 times 3 divided by 3. So the only thing I performed so far is what's in parentheses first, which was 4 minus 1, and that answer is 3. And next I perform exponents, which is 3 to the second power, or 3 times, that's the same as 3 times 3. I wrote it down here, which equals 9 divided by 3. So everything I haven't done is still written the same way it is. So the next step after exponents is multiplication and division. Now, it doesn't matter which one you do first. It doesn't matter whether it's multiplication or division. What matters is you have to perform it from left to right, and that's right here, left to right. So you just start from the left and move to the right. So in my problem, what's left, any multiplication and division, I'm going to look for it. So I see 5 times 3, which is highlighted in green, and 9 divided by 3. So which one do I do first? I'm going to do what starts on the left. So I start going to the left. 5 times 3 comes first. So I'm going to do 5 times 3 first. Then I do 9 divided by 3. So I'm going to write down anything I'm not going to perform like it is. So 25 minus, I'm going to write that down because I'm not working on anything but multiplication and division. But I see 5 times 3, so I'm going to work that out. 5 times 3 is 15, plus, because I'm not doing any of that yet. And then I see 9 divided by 3, and I know that's a division fact. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now I have left 25 minus 15 divided by 3. I'm sorry, plus 3. So I have 25 minus 15 plus 3 left. So I'm just going to go from left to right. So I'm going to do 25 minus 15 first, which is 10. And then I do 10 plus 3, which is 13. Okay, so what's important to know when performing order operations, you have to go in order. If you change the order, your answer is going to be wrong. So it's really, really important to follow the order operations. So we're going to review quickly. Order operations, the first thing you're going to do is what's in parentheses first. Then you're going to do the exponents. That would be 3 to the second power. Then you're going to do multiplication and division. And all you do is just start from the left and go to the right. So that's why we did 5 times 3 first, then 9 divided by 3. Then last, you do addition and subtraction. And again, you start from left to right. So I did 25 minus 15 first, then added 3 last, and my answer is 13. Okay, so you can replay this video if you need any help. I am going to show you your homework next. You're going to perform some problems on order operations, and just make sure you follow the order and you'll always get it right. Make sure you take notes for anything. I would make sure I write down the order operations, parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and last always addition and subtraction. Okay, so for homework, I want you to complete these 4 order operations problems. The first one is 6 plus 3 times 2. The second one is 13 minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. The third one is 6 times 7 minus 3 in parentheses plus 4. And the last one is 17 plus 24 in parentheses minus 3 times 4 in parentheses. Okay, so these are your 4 problems that you are going to complete for homework. Make sure you write them on a separate sheet of paper. Show me all your work. Make sure you write the steps down and write them down like it shows you in this visual. And good luck on your homework, class, and I will see you in the morning.